You work hard. You watch motivation videos. You set goals. Yet, your life looks the same. Same stress. Same habits. Same results. This is not bad luck. This is the real reason nothing has changed. You feel busy, but you're not progressing. Watching videos feels productive. Planning feels smart. Thinking feels powerful. But thinking is not doing. Your brain rewards you for preparing. So you delay executing. Comfort disguises itself as effort. Your life hasn't changed because you keep choosing comfort over growth. Comfort keeps you safe. Growth makes you uncomfortable. Scrolling is easy. Discipline is hard. Your future requires actions. Your present self avoids. No one is coming to save you. No perfect moment is coming. No motivation will last forever. Change only happens when discipline replaces motivation. Winners act tired. Losers wait inspired. Your problem isn't time. It's identity. You don't act like the person you say you want to become. New goals don't create new lives. New habits do. Act first. Feel ready later. If you want your life to change, do this daily. One uncomfortable action. No negotiation. No excuses. Small steps done daily. Beat perfect plans never started. Your life won't change until you do. Start today. Start small. Start scared. But start. Subscribe to MindLiftU and lift your mind into action.